Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Shopify tax settings for sales in California step by step clearly. To verify your Shopify tax settings for sales in California, start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner of the page. Click on Taxes and Duties under the Settings menu. In the Taxes settings, locate the section labeled Tax Regions. Identify California in the list of regions. If California is not present, click on Add a tax region and select California. Once you have selected California, check if the tax rate is displayed. Shopify typically applies the correct sales tax rates automatically. However, it's essential to ensure that Collect Sales Tax is enabled for California. If it is not enabled, toggle the switch to turn it on. Scroll down to see the option to add tax overrides if necessary. Here, you can customize tax settings based on specific product categories if needed. Next, review any product-specific tax settings in your inventory. Go to the Products section in your dashboard. Select an individual product to open its details. Scroll down to the Pricing section and look for the Charge Tax on this product option. Ensure this option is checked for all taxable items. Return to the Taxes page to check if there are any exemptions set up. Sometimes certain items are exempt from sales tax in California. Verify that your settings comply with California tax regulations. Navigate back to Settings and click on Shipping and Delivery. Ensure that your shipping profiles reflect any tax requirements. Finally, periodically review your tax settings to stay compliant with any changes in regulations. Once everything looks correct, your Shopify tax settings for California should be properly configured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.